right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Late start to the vlog. We are about to head out to a late night car meet. Hopefully this does not turn into a takeover. The last couple of them have unfortunately turned into takeovers. People have been acting a fool, but hopefully tonight is a little bit different. If you guys enjoy the late night meets, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Y'all know what to do, man. Gotta get this car detailed up. It's crazy, bro, because I could never keep this car clean because I drive it everywhere, and you know, we're always making trips to Mexico. But you know what? That's why I bought the car, and I'm not gonna complain whatsoever. Drive the car, enjoy the car, and we're gonna see what we get into at this meet. All right, let's head out. Pulling up a little bit late, but arriving to these meets on time is never a good idea. It's always a waste of time. Ooh. Oh my God, brother, turn your high beams off. I'm gonna get caught in this damn light. Not really. We'll be alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, damn it. I'm not trying to get caught behind all these cars or behind that light. There's so much damn traffic right now. That dude doesn't know what he's doing. He's sleeping. Bro, there's like been sleepers like these past couple of days. It's actually insane. Absolutely insane on this highway. Oh my God, what is going on over here? They're closing down lanes.
One eternity later.
Okay, starting to clear up. W. I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get closer to the spot. We're actually not too far away.
A few moments later.
GTR pulled up. This highway is hot. be on this damn highway. I want to get a fun running so fast, but it's gonna be sketch. It's the next day. Unfortunately, that meet was a bust. As soon as I pulled up, cops were there. It was over before it even started. These night meets are honestly starting to become a waste of time. But that doesn't matter because I just recorded a video with a creator that you guys probably know. If you follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Got a little bit of a teaser. Crazy runs. I think a lot of you guys are going to enjoy the video. That's why this one is so short, but you know what? Y'all are gonna have to stay tuned. All I'm gonna say is, I think I found the next build. I'm about to go trade the S650 in like within the next couple of days. I don't even have it in my garage. I feel so bad for that car, I ain't gonna lie, but hey y'all, I'm telling you right now. Woo! Got a little ride along, badass. If you guys enjoy, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Been for Ears. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.